So here we're going to go through how we're replacing the driver's side headlight. Got to take off the front plastic doodad here, take all these little clips out. And make sure we put them somewhere we don't forget where they are. Pop this little guy off here. This little clip out of there. Millimeter, okay. 10 millimeter. Loosen this with the 10 millimeter ratchet and take it out with the screwdriver. Again, put your bolts in so you won't lose it. There's a little screw down here. Pop this off. And there's just little plastic things. I'm terrible at this, so hope I don't break nothing. There's this little screw in here. Drop it in there. And I had trouble with this screw here, so I ended up using vice grips. And a little rubber thing kind of just pops off, and then just tighten the vice grips on it. I mean, obviously yours might not be as stuck as mine, but this is how I got mine off. It did take me a little while till I had the bright idea of just going in a complete circle instead of clipping it on and off and wasting that time. So, yeah, see, I can just go in a circle. Extension. There's another little screw right here. Another one way deep in here. These are to actually remove the headlight. Some of the things say to take the whole thing off, but I just kind of loosen the front bumper and take the screws out for the headlight. I actually tried to do it through the thing. You can see a little bit maybe how marred up the plastic spinner thing is. It did not work for me, so I decided to take a little more parts off. Take out the turn signal thing there. Look at that. So, Pop's house so much easier. Once you take it off once, then I should line these lines back up. Where is it? This one's a bit tight in general. So like I said, I tried to take this off without taking the headlight off, and it was so much harder to turn. So anyway, there we go. Now I got a good view of the doohickey there. Unlock, pull out, pull these little doodads here, pop out, pop out. There's our broken bulb. So these are 6000K 35 watt HID replacement bulbs. I got a pack of 2 for just under 30 bucks on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. They last me, I drove the car for about a year after this and then totaled it. Another video coming up on that. But they work good for me, so I recommend them. As always, just make sure you don't touch the bulb. That will make them burn out much faster.
this like that. Twist up the lock. Well, you have directions that are open that way. There we go, it's locked. I'm gonna get mine so that maybe it will open easier next time. Okay, whatever. Put these back in. Let's twist this down some more again. Don't want to break anything. There we go. Down in there. That bulb in there. That bulb in there.
And now I'll just show you throwing it back together. All together, I think this took me maybe 20, 30 minutes. Yeah, pretty easy. It's gonna take your time.
There we go, that's in there. I don't think that screw needed to come out.
This little plastic thing did not want to go back up under there. Just make sure you get it up under the lip of the fender there. Putting my frustrating screw back in was obviously much easier than taking it out, and the rubber thing luckily didn't break and just fit right back over it.
Right there. There we go.
Just under 30 bucks, and I got new headlights. Definitely would have cost a lot more having somebody else do it. I have another video coming up where I did the passenger side as well. I think that one I didn't even take anything off. I was able to fit my hand in there and unscrew it.
Okay, that's it.
Okay, I hope this helped you out. Like and subscribe if you appreciate it. Thank you much. Bye-bye.